Hi, I'm here with a 2001 S10, Chevy S10, and I'm going to be replacing the starter. So I'm going to need to disconnect the negative cable and jack and support the vehicle. Okay, one of the first things I got to do is, after I disconnect the negative cable, is take out this bracket. There's 3 bolts, 1, 2, and then there's one in the back. Well, right here, it connects to the oil on the oil pan. It takes 13 millimeters. Remove those three bolts and take this bracket out. It goes up here. Okay, let me see if I can get a shot of the starter. Okay, here's the starter. Right here is gray and black part. There are 2 bolts, one here and the other one here and the other one over there. Take a 15 millimeter. I've loosened them up, but with an extension, you can reach those 2 bolts and unscrew them. Okay, from here you can see starter solenoid. There are 3 bolts. The top one is 13 millimeter. That little one is an 8 millimeter. Those 2 you just take off. Don't bother with the 3rd one. Here's the starter. Just have to rotate it to get it to come out of there. Here's the starter, the new starter in position. I'm going to install the the main cable, and then that smallest bolt is for the ignition. Do that first. Okay, here's the starter. There's the starter installed. It's right here. All that's left is put on the bracket and put on the negative cable.